I was looking some kind of a cheap way how to reduce vibrations to my hands because it's V-twin. It vibrates quite a lot, and if you're going somewhere more far away and you're going on a motorway, let's say 110 or 120 kilometers per hour, after a couple hours of driving, you know, your hands start to like I don't know how to say, but like a needles in your palms. So I found this cheap rubbery thing, maybe $2. Yeah, so I will try to fit it. It fits like this. I need to cut it a little bit, and I think it should do the job. So let's try to fit it. Nice. Okay, so how it feels? Well, it feels quite nice. Maybe a little bit too thick, but I need to drive for a while to see. Okay, let's go to the road and test.